What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Code with Money. In today's video, I'm going to be coding a mass unban command. So let's say if your server get destroyed and they've been like 5,000 members, and you need a bot, you need some type of code to mass unban all the members. And this for today's video to help you guys out. But make sure y'all like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, y'all. Let's get to 100 subs, y'all. We are so close. We at 80 subs right now currently. So, you know, I don't talk much. Let's get right into it. I don't know if my mic loud. Somebody's gonna turn it down. Okay. Let's get straight into it, guys. Let's go. You know, I don't talk much. Just Code with Money. Let's go. So, you know our first thing to do. Client command. Then we can do, we're gonna do mass unban. I spelled unban wrong. Mass unban. CTX. Then we're gonna do ban list equal await CTS glide bans. Sorry guys, bans for users and ban list for users and ban list. Try await. Await CTX guide unban user equal user. Okay, we're gonna closing that out. We're gonna do, we're going back. We're gonna pass. Okay, we're gonna do right there await CT send. Let me see, send. No, we ain't gonna do that. We ain't gonna do that. I think that's it. I was gonna code something that say Massunban is now undone. I don't know, but no, we're gonna do that. CTA send mass unbanning. Okay, that's all we have to do. Now let's test it, guys. Let me pull up Discord. Okay, we're coding Python. This is my other account right here. This is gonna be my business account, guys. So if y'all need to text me about anything, this will be my business account. I got the hiccups, guys. But let's turn on the bot. Let's run the bot. Let's run it. Python bot test bot is now online. Now, this is the mass unban command. Let's try. I'm gonna right click on my other account, ban on this other account, ban. You go to server settings. There's 2 people on the ban list. You're gonna go right here. We're gonna type, let me get the prefix, mass unban, mass unbanning. Okay, come right here, look on the ban list. Remove 2 ban people off the ban list. That easy, guys. That easy. Let's see, can I join the server bet? Let me go to my other monitor. Join the server bet. There we go again. I'm back in the server, guys. That's it. That's it for today's video. That was easy for the mass unban command. So just in case your server get nuked or something happen, mass unban 5,000 people just with a Discord bot. That's all you gotta do. So easy. If y'all don't know how to make a Discord bot, I will link it. It is in my first YouTube video I made on this channel, but I ain't finna say too much. Test code with money. And make sure. Oh yeah, before I go, guys, the protection bot right here, this is a good bot to use to, you know what I'm saying, save your server from getting nuked. So make sure y'all use my bots in 516 servers. And if y'all want a fun gaming community y'all want to go to, I will have my server link where everybody talks and play games at. I will have a link in my description. Make sure y'all join and tag me, say I'm from YouTube or anything, okay? And I will help you out. If y'all need anything, this is my Discord right here, money hashtag 1337. Y'all can text me, code with money, and I'm out. That's it for today's video. I'm out, guys.